We're going to do a little cleanup of this slot punch. This looks to me like it's homemade. I'm 99% sure this is homemade dill, but this is used to punch a slot, sorry, not cut, by a blacksmith. You get your metal hot, strike this with another sledgehammer. There's also square punches, and of course round punches. So let's get cleaning this up, see what we can't see. After a short ride on the wire wheel, you see it's pretty extensively pitted. But the edges are really nice and square. Don't know if I'll ever use it. I can't think of any reason why I'll need that much of a slot. I mean, we're sitting what? 1/4 by 2 3/16. That's a heck of a slot to be punching in. But just oil this up. I've kind of changed my mind about using oiled linseed oil. Just kind of leaves a yellowy, semi-hard film on it. It doesn't go away. So this is just some, I think this one's automatic transmission fluid. Just something to just kind of keep the water off. Something I've also been doing, petroleum jelly. It's been outside, so it's super hard. That'll just give a thicker coat. I'll just put that away. But yeah, we'll just let that sit and put a handle on it. Something also I'm going to point out is when you get these blacksmith tools, usually they've been used really well. And this struck end here is usually mushroomed. If you plan on using them, take off that mushroom, because when they break, you'll send shards of steel flying everywhere. So this one isn't bad at all. Even these corners are pretty nice and sharp, and it's all flat and level. So excited to have this in my collection. Thanks for watching.